Kompetisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kawai ke tuk-tuk Royal Enfield, kabam tencu number plate, bala pentep bakadai ke bala Shah Nongtuh, nak parking lot ke Muda, kabadan akan dailat Shillong. Layu kurup lagi dekat ke Village Defence Party ke senang Pomshutia, hak arpu altrik naitung araja pun Rio. Presiden ke VDP Pomshutia, ubah manti perang kongkip, oleh itu bagi dekat ke VDP, hadin kelab ya kan ni ke tuk-tuk, bala Buhrieh akhlau jong ke senang Pomshutia, harut ke surok Shillong dauki, Kilapan absyirip banyak obat ikisnar Nongtuh, kat bagi dangwan man shimti yak tuk-tuk, dak kacing temu ban kit bak sa Bangladesh. Ulai itu bahaka tahi kapur, tangkom ba 10 minit, balapan absyirip, lawan mi saungut kisnar Nongtuh. Pada kacing yak thong, hadu kapur arba jino asengi, kidakot ka VDP, ki obat tangi Uwei usnar Nongtuh, ublatip kerteng, kumubala jit mauyong. Kat balai ngut kewipan, kelalai pat hadian gajingnya pen ibor, bagi dekot ke VDP. Uni ublas akem, ula apply dekat ke VDP baudai bahasa akasnong soolong kat ba arngut kiwipat ki balai pad kidi bahasa hi akasnong soolong bat Uwei pat udai bahasa akasnong mau rengkang uba kongkip ulai turu bala subah bu bahasa akem udai berjumlin di drugs nama nakamet jong u lalap ru yo drugs melatap bai tendang plastik bar katuk ni gilut pisa sanspa ba cispa tingka. Ya ketuk-tuk Royal Enfield la kurup no deki pulit ke Penusla Police Station bat kamru usnar Nongtuh.
Peni kerja tu kan?
ME guna M.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.